Welcome to our trip to Selfridges Christmas department in August 2019. So this is the Selfridges department store and the fourth floor. It made the headlines in early August 2019 because it was the first department store to open its Christmas department. Whilst temperatures outside were soaring at 30 degrees, you could come in and choose your Christmas tree. What I particularly love is these Christmas decorations to hang from the tree, all London orientated, just like London Visited. Now at the moment, whilst this Christmas department is small, from the 2nd of September, the staff have told me that it's going to take most of the fourth floor. Can't wait to come back in early September. Whilst there are the London decorations, the theme being used by the store is to celebrate 50 years since man first landed on the moon. So my recommendation would be get down here, get some Christmas decorations, but one thing, don't forget where you've put them. Yes, there's still well over 140 days to go. One thing I can promise, another video coming up within the next 2 months of the new, bigger department. Thanks for watching the channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you can make sure you get these videos every week as we upload them. Thanks for joining us on London Visited.